In this video, we'll show you how to customize the app icon color on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe you're feeling bored with your current theme and want to refresh it. No worries, we'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, press and hold on to any blank area of your screen. I recommend trying the bottom of the screen for the best results. Once you do that, the icons will begin to wiggle. Next, look for the option at the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, select Customize. A new menu will pop up where you can choose from options like light, dark, automatic, or tinted. If you go with the tinted option, you can adjust the color as you like. Drag the slider to fine-tune the shade and even tweak it further for a personalized touch. Additionally, you can change the background color by tapping the icon at the top left of this menu. Adjust the background color to match your style, or simply stick with the light or dark theme. Once you're happy with your settings, just tap away from the screen and you're done. Your app icon color has now been updated.